Hey folks, this is Mitch from NZCS. I have a question for you. Can you tell me the last time you restarted your phone? No? Didn't think so. So your mobile phone is basically a small computer. In fact, it is a small computer that just happens to be small enough to fit into your pocket. And it's common knowledge that with any computer, you should reboot it every now and again to keep it running smooth and to fix minor glitches. Well, the same applies for your phone. If you have an iPhone, I'm going to show you today how to reboot it. All you need to do is press the volume up button once, the volume down button once, and then hold down the lock screen key on the right hand side until the screen here turns black. Once the screen turns black, keep holding your finger down until the white Apple logo appears, and this is your phone rebooting. There you have it, your phone is now rebooting. You can remove your finger and then unlock it once it starts up again.